Of course, people have been asking about pain level after the surgery.
Mhm.
I feel like for me, it was mostly the nerve pain,
Mhm.
and the itching. Itching was the worst.
Yeah, everybody always sometimes will complain about itching, but like, but that means it's healing, right?
Whew.
So there's different types of itching, and for different reasons. So sometimes people can be having allergic reaction to like the prep we use or the
Like,
tape. That was
yeah.
the other thing I was going to say. Either the prep or the tape
Mhm.
that we use, like the steri strips. There
Mhm.
is another fluid we use to help that steri strip stay on, and sometimes it can be that. And then, after you remove the steri strips and you realize it's not that anymore, then there's that healing itching. But then there is, particularly with patients of color, always concerned about like keloids and those types of
Mhm.
things. People can have, and it's not necessarily an allergy to the suture, like the dissolvable suture.
Mhm.
It's just your body, the healing process and the way in which dissolvable suture dissolve is an inflammatory process. So if you have prolonged inflammation, you
Mhm.
get like a little bit thicker scars. They're not keloids. But if your body's like, I'm tired of these suture that are in here, and they start
Mhm.
spitting them out,
Yes.
it can be prolonged inflammation. And so those scars start to itch. That's why I say
Oh.
there's like varying degrees of
Mhm.
itching at the various stages of healing. It just depends. And again, communicating with your surgeon of like, where are you having it? Because
Mhm.
sometimes people can have a little bit of thickened scar and they're like, no, it's not itching me. It's not bothering me at all.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I just have a little bit that's thick, but the rest is very thin. It's fine, but it doesn't
Yeah.
itch.
Yeah.
Um, but
Yeah.
the sutures are still spitting.
Yeah.
My
Yeah.
body's like, I'm done.
No, and that's what your body's saying. It's like, I don't want to do this anymore.
I'm like, I agree.
Get it out. Yeah, and that's really annoying part, and it is hard to know who's going to experience that.